Whoa,
Hey,
Daddy, why?
my friend,
Robin,
you see it?
why are you
Okay.
my friend today? What about yesterday?
That's all.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God,
yeah.
broken. One more broken. Oh my God,
Why are
hey.
you so hard on the equipment?
Oh, no.
Why?
Hey,
You
that's
want me to
why.
weld your shit, but you don't want to
do
be
that
in my
again?
movie.
You today working?
Yeah, working
Yeah,
today.
you working.
Yeah, you got time.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's one really good.
Yeah.
Wow, that's changed it.
You know I always got to customize my rigs, bud.
Change the engine? No.
Not yet. Soon. It starts giving me trouble with changing the engine. Changing the seats today.
Too much money change it. No.
Yeah. You shit yourself? Mariola? Hey, Mariola?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Inside.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, broken.
Oh, Mariola. So many Mariolas broken.
No, there's an old one. There's no new one and new one.
Well, you know, you can probably, let me see this here. Look at this.
No.
He's taken this.
I don't know. Not.
And he's whittle-schmitted it. There's a whittle-schmidt, and a drywall
that's
screw.
broken.
This is custom. What's your problem, bro? That's good. It's good. It's good. Hey, since I worked all day and everything already, can I interest you in making me do some more stuff?
You okay?
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.
That's finish.
What?
That's finish.
Oh, wiring. A little bit of wiring.
Why?
Yeah, wire, electrical, start, lights, things like that.
If another one change the engine, you want the engine change that one, how
Yeah.
much money so?
Oh my gosh, so many money. Speaking of
much money
tumuchi, check this out. We got
Yo. Oh my God, you did only one.
yeah, new welder, yeah. Yes, welder, links in the prescription. 10% off onepluglifecode.com. But yeah, we got a portable shower here, boys. We been meaning to let you know about this guy here, but since Tumuchi come over, it really reminded me that I have a friggin' portable shower. Maybe we can give Tumuchi a bit of a spritz, eh? A bit of a spritz with it. Yeah, this is made in your hometown, Tumuchi. This right here. This is from your hometown. In Beijing or whatever. Hey, you from Beijing?
Hey,
Beijing?
you know business inside marijuana 1 pound 300 inside 300 you no need
Oh my God.
100 pound. Wow, you need the money business
100
with the
pounds,
money
$300. That's 300,000 pounds.
in pound
Oh my God.
inside
Oh my God. You don't got a light? Oh, fuck's sakes, Tumuchi, you no good. Oh, Tumuchi, no good.
you know business no.
Hey, how come you don't ever come and help me? Hey, look at this. Look at her. You're no good.
I know good.
Yeah,
No.
yeah.
Oh, that's one.
Look at this guy. Oh, that's it, eh? Hey, get her done, bud. That's it. Just like that. Here, hold on. How come you always want me to help you, but you never come over here and help me? I'm sitting here struggling like a goof trying to get my brakes fixed on my truck, and you're sitting over there in the Mariola patch playing fiddlesticks.
Oh, no glass. No glass.
Where your glass? I made you think, huh? You think, glass it.
yeah, you like one very good. I 5 years.
Yeah, 5 years you have
That's
that.
broken.
And you broke it?
Broken, no more. No, that's wrong. That's put here. I do not working. Good. Oh, that's broken. No, I don't see that.
It says, Wei Xing Mi Ni Zhang Shai
No.
Zhang Rang Wo Bang Ni
No, you.
Dan Ni Kong
You,
Li.
me, foreign, very good. That's okay. That's just.
You don't listen to me when I'm trying to say you Chinese words.
Okay, I give you money. How much money?
Oh my God, 200.
Oh my God.
$200. I'm f***ing busy, man. Fucking $200, too muchy. Fucking guy.
Oh. You want one? Oh.
Come on.
Oh.
Oh, my welding hat. Oh, my hat.
Oh, I don't know. This is card. No card.
Look at that.
Oh, this one.
Friggin' you guys best like to share your comment. Friggin' Wilfred got his welding helmet. I should get him to send a picture. And
Oh my God, I want it.
because he liked and shared and subscribed and commented on my movies. What?
What?
Anything else I can do for you while I got 15 minutes for myself?
Okay.
Oh, thanks, bud.
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you very much.
Well, just okay though.
Yeah, friggin' Jim got the friggin' I think it was the Blue Eddy. Jim got the Blue Eddy, and Bill got the friggin'
my friend.
EcoFlow.
My friend.
What?
That one, not sold. That one. I need that. You want that? Maybe $20, $14.
Yeah, like you can just go and buy a whole new thing for $10, right?
Very good.
So,
That's one.
so you know what I mean?
My friend for me. My friend, this Iran people for me. That's broken. No, that's very good. Very good.
Here, let me
Good
see. Hold on. Let me see. What's this? Oh, what's this? What is that, too muchy?
Oh, my God.
Oh my God, Mariola on your hat. Oh my God, covered in
Thank you.
Mariola. Okay, thank you, Mr. Tumachi. You do the old left-handed handshake there.
Okay.
I probably got bugs or some type of infection.
No,
Probably.
You know, business, very good. Oh, that's one more. Will be. That's one more
Oh yeah.
for you. 10,000 for you.
Oh yeah, you said that a long time ago. That stuff's garbage. It's still sitting there.
No. Finish $20 one more.
Oh
20.
God.
20,000.
Oh hey guys, I want you to guess what this is. I want you to guess what that liquid is in there. I want you to guess why that's in the truck.
Okay.
I want you to tell me what you think this is, you guys. Okay? That's what I want. I want you to let me know. Okay?